The beautiful flowers. Blue, pink, blue, and purple. She have many colors. So nice, very nice. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda. It's the purple. See? Purple and pink. So you have a blue. If you choose the blue, yellow. You have color of yellow. Oh, nice. Wow. So nice decoration here, right? Oh, it's a beautiful. Ka dyan mag-swimming pool. Ayan, gusto nyo mag-swimming pool. Ayan. Maligo ka lang dyan. May bato. Ayan. Akyat tayo dito. Ayan. Akyat tayo. Pink flowers. Yung flowers, you like flowers have pink here. This is the beautiful. Ayan, ganda dito. Diba? Dito. Marami to sa ating ganito. Nakakain kaya to yung ano, katas? Oo.
Ay, may lungin.
May cave. Yun pala yung cave. Yan yung cave. Picture, may cave.
Parang ano lang.
Hala?